Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you feel very happy after watching this video, because in this video I'm going to tell you the surprise news of the Pancakeswap. Pancakeswap are going to surprise every holder of cake coin. So keep watch this video for more details, and please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, first of all, we look the latest price update of the Pancakeswap, and after that we discuss that the price change, and after that we discuss the surprise news of the Pancakeswap. So my friends, first of all, I want to congratulate, because the Pancakeswap are going to surprise all of you, my friends. Anyways, the latest price and the currently live price of the Pancakeswap at this time in the market is 16.48 USD dollar. 16.48 USD dollar is the latest price of the Pancakeswap in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Pancakeswap, oh my goodness, you know what, the people are very angry to the Pancakeswap, that why the price of the Pancakeswap are not going upward. People are very angry. My friends, the whole changes is going wrong. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, you can see here at this time, the whole price change is negative. So absolutely, you are in the loss if the whole price change is negative. Let's see the price chart, and let me show you, my friends, the surprise of the Pancakeswap. You know what, my friends, that after a falls there is a jump. That is the common, and that is the principle of cryptocurrencies market. Every coin falls down, take a jump, falls down, take a jump, after falls, take a jump, and after jump falls down. That is the common rules. And the Pancakeswap also falls down from the previous last 2 days. So I think my prediction is that maybe tomorrow Pancakeswap will pump. Maybe, my friends, we can't see about the future, but there is a lot of chances to the price will pump tomorrow. So what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Pancakeswap? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.